held the lead for most of the game, and then they came back. Mistake by the right center, right back, escorted the player into the box rather than making a tackle. And these things happen.
So does this put the team in a difficult position now? Going up against Stats and only 2 points?
It would be a difficult position. It's a must win because Catherine will now play KC. So one of them may come out the winners. If it draw, well, also it would be beneficial to us if we had a draw as well. We'd have 3 draws and one would have a draw, a loss, and dependent on how the game goes today. We would have not wanted to be in this position at this stage of the game, but we have to learn. You can't give up soft goals like that. We had the game in our hands again and gave it away. So I think we just need to go back to the drawing board, prepare for Stats, and be ready. The boys will be camped in. They won't be let out for anything at all. And we'll just focus on what we need to.
Disappointed didn't take chances, because you get quite a few chances.
Quite a few. Disappointed we didn't take a chance. Can you imagine a header on the 6-yard box and hit the post?
Hit the post.
No one tackled you. It's just a tough game. I mean, I'm not well either, so it's taking its toll on me as well. So we just have to keep going.
All right, coach.